Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friend Simon Sung and the in-house design team at Pacific Lutheran University in Tacoma, Washington. Printing was Hemlock Printing in Vancouver, Canada, and paper is 80-pound McCoy matte cover. This piece is a mailer, mailed as a flat. Here's the mailing panel. And I think you're going to love the format and the way they designed this. And also it's got really smart production. These were very efficient to produce and also great design. So this piece opens as a trifold, which is nice. I like the landscape orientation here. It creates like a nice long layout, and they created a panoramic image of the campus that's really, really nice. And he was actually saying, Simon was telling me that they didn't use any drones. They did it old school with a 20-foot ladder and just waited for the right timing for the right shot. So I thought that was really neat. But this is a trifold reveal folder. So these panels, there are 3 short panels that fold up, and I love how each one has a different experience. This one's kind of infographics. This one's got a nice kind of full bleed image with a few fast facts, and then this last one has their programs on it. And so I love the organization of this, and I love how you get this really nice big visual that's continuous, and then they break it up into these wonderful little reveal panels. These were printed on a Heidelberg Speedmaster XL UV press. 4-color, all UV inks, and then these were die cut and folded by machine. They did about 40,000 of these, and he said they were really efficient. They were about 57 cents a piece to produce. So I love that. I love the design, the efficiency, and everything about it, and I love students. Higher ed pieces are great. So that's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Trifold reveal folder. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.